Hello, this is your teacher, Professor Nirmal Kumar Swai, Department of Library and Information Science, MD University, Rohtak. Welcome to this video lecture series. We are developing these video lectures as supplements to your exam preparation. We have a paper, technical writing and communication skill as a compulsory or core paper in fourth semester. So in the first unit, so we have technical writings and forms of technical writings and more details. So after learning what is technical writing and what are the characteristics, as well as how technical writing is different from the non-technical writings. So now this lecture will be devoted to the forms of technical writings. If you go into your syllabus, in syllabus we have three examples. One is thesis. Thesis means your PhD thesis. Then manuals. Then we have reviews. So three examples are there. So we won't go to any more examples. So but you can cite while writing in your exam. Okay, thesis means your PhD thesis. Sometimes we call it a dissertation also. But don't try to differentiate what is dissertation and what is thesis. So here thesis means PhD thesis. So at this juncture, we may not discuss PhD thesis in detail, as we have special lectures on PhD thesis as an example of technical writing. Okay, thesis is in brief, the PhD thesis is an academic document which is required for getting the highest degree, that is Doctor of Philosophy, that's PhD. And in some countries we call it dissertation also. Okay, so here whatever you write technically. Technically write means like you are ruled, governed by certain usage, certain norms, like which part of the thesis to be placed in which place, and which file succeeds which or precedes and succeeds, like preface or bibliography. All these are elements of a thesis, and all these needs to be rightly placed. Okay, and also we will look into, while teaching you in detail the parts of thesis, like how thesis is divided, the externally as well as the internal parts also. Okay, so apart from PhD thesis, we have manuals and reviews. Manuals you must have seen. You must have seen manuals in your like suppose you are buying a new television set, or buying a refrigerator, or buying a grinder and mixer. So you must have noticed, so there is a page folded and written in many languages, including English and in Chinese or many Spanish, if it is a brand is international. So manual how to operate, how to open up, but there are every chances of being breakage also, like to have to plug in, then plug off, then switch on, switch off, and then how to so all these how to do. Manual is that how to do. Okay, so that is also, suppose while preparing, if you look at it, how it is prepared it very technically, but you cannot generalize. Suppose even grinder mixture also you purchase or you buy of different companies, their manuals are different. Even television sets also, their manuals are different. Like you have Sony TV, you have different brands, okay, IG, LG, so okay, Philips. So manually is, comes under this technical writing, as all these manual fulfills all those characteristics we have discussed in the initial videos, like it is abide by the rules, you cannot generalize, and you cannot go by the usage, whatever he says you go by according to that, you cannot operate it of your own, so like that only. And reviews are also reviews is like a review paper, sometimes reviews the moment you say review means something has already been happened, something has already been written, then we are rewriting. So some people also say review writing, like a review paper. So some people even say what is credit in a review paper. So if someone simply compiling those paper and publishing it, probably it is not that. Suppose we are discussing something about Indian culture, or cultural history of Haryana, cultural history of India. So people, the moment you say culture, it connotes a lot many things. It covers your lifestyle, it covers your food habit, living style, and your migration, your urbanization, your ruralization, your education, your upbringing, everything comes under on this. So and many people have written, even the American has written about Indian culture, European has written about Indian culture, we Indians even write about Indian culture. In among Indians also, there are many Indians, say suppose the Southern perspective, a North Indian perspective, even a Haryanvi perspective. So how do we look at our culture? Okay, so North culture is different from South, from the Eastern India, from the Western part, and the food habits are changed, and the modernization of a culture is there also. How to trace back the history. So altogether, suppose I am the author, I'm writing a review paper, review paper, review paper on. I'm writing a review paper on Indian culture. So that means look into different perspective. It's not that like food habits, then dress code, then education system, marriage rituals, death rituals, urbanization, ruralization, migration, forgetfulness of the and these cultural perspectives. So all these. So by reading all these and compiling those elements. But suppose how review paper is different from all your other papers like creative papers. You don't have to. That is non-stop. You write in any way, and of your own. You need not to cite even anybody, or even don't doesn't have any reference. But here, suppose while writing review paper, every minute we give input about a marriage ritual or about death ritual. So in that case, you must give a reference. Say Sanskritization, urbanization, Europeanization, all these, modernization, what people say about it, what historians say about it. Okay, so how the in marriage concept, even the South versus North, or Central India versus Western India versus Eastern India, how do we look at? Even the death rituals also. You must have seen death ritual. It is in Eastern Belt, Odisha, Bengal, and Assam, like the 10th day ceremony. Then you have 11th day, 12th day. Here in Haryana and other parts, it is 13th day, till 13th day people would be coming and sitting and at your place and giving sholes. Even Rajasthani, they call it Tiya Baitak, third day. So altogether, dear students, very difficult. Like you cannot haphazardly give a comment. And in the while writing review, must give referencing to a book or a text and reference to the author is very important because when you give cultural perspective of a decade, of a 10 years duration, then they are the okay, these are the you know these are the points to be taken into consideration. In this sense, writing review is very technical, and you cannot write of your own, or you cannot go haphazardly use or give a statement in your review writings. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.